Now welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. Let us evaluate sine 15 degree. Alright. Now ordinarily we won't be able to evaluate sine 15 degree because the common angles, which are 30, 45, 90 and 60, now as a common a trigonometric ratio. Now using this triangle, the trigonometric ratio triangle, this is 60, this is 30. Now here with 2, here root 3, here is 1, and this is for 30 and 60, and for 45 we have 45, we have 45, here we have 90, here you have root 2, 1 and 1. Okay, now out of all these angles here, which are the common angles, no angle 15. Alright, so but for us to evaluate 15 is either we add or subtract either of these angles here, and the best way to get 15 is 45 minus 30. Okay, and from here, using the SOHCAHTOA, we have it that sine theta will give us opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta will give us adjacent over hypotenuse, then tan theta will give us opposite over what? Adjacent. Alright, now following this rule or this trigonometric ratio, we should be able to solve sine 15. Alright, or to evaluate rather. So here we have, recall from the trigonometric identity that says a plus or minus b will give us sine a cos b plus or minus cos a and sine b. Alright, now for 15 we have 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30. Now this implies that wherever we see a, we replace it with 45. Wherever we see b, we replace it with 45 in this expression. So here you have sine a, which is 45. Now cos b, which is 30. Now since these signs are corresponding, so here we have minus, then cos a here. Cos a here we have cos 45. Then sine b here we have what? Sine 30 degree. Alright, so and for sine 45 here, so sine 45, sine is opposite. Now for 45, opposite over hypotenuse, that will be 1 over 2. So here you have sine 15 equals to 1 over root 2, then times cos 30. Cos here is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now cos, this is cos, adjacent root 3 over root 2, root 3 over 2, root 3 over 2, then minus cos 45 also adjacent over hypotenuse, this adjacent over hypotenuse, that will be 1 over root 2, then times sine 30. Sine 30, that is opposite over hypotenuse, opposite over hypotenuse, that will be 1 over 2. Alright, simplifying further, here you have root 3 over what? 2 root 2 minus 1 over 2 root 2, and this will give us, since we have a common denominator, let's find the LCM. 2 root 2. Now 2 root 2 in 2 root 2 is just 1 times root 3, you have what? Root 3, then minus this, in this you have 1, so times 1 you have what? 1. So this is the final answer. Or you can still probably rationalize, and by rationalizing, that will mean we'll multiply the numerator by the denominator. The numerator and the denominator by the denominator, which implies 2 root 2 over what? 2 root 2. And this will give us 2 root 2 into what? Root 3 minus 1, then over, now 2 times 2 here will give us what? 4. Now root 2 times root 2 will give us what? 2. Okay, because root 2 times root 2 will give us what? Root 4, and which will give us what? 2. So and so here, this eliminate this, so we are left with root 2, or well, opening the bracket here, you have what, root 6 times minus root 2 all over what, 4. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you. If you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Bye.